Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. We are back with an update. We did a 26-inch Ishow hair unit and we came on back to get her together. What again? Alright, so we are back with our 26-inch Ishow unit, and I just want to give you the deets before we get her all the way together. Now, we've had this unit for about 2 months. She's been washed and blow dried. She smells so good right now. Okay, and I just used, if you guys were wondering, I just used basic Pantene to get her together. I buy the Costco brand one. It's huge, so that's what I use to get all my wigs together. And I have 2 combs in the front, okay? Take a look at this lace. All right. 1 comb in the back. We have adjustable straps. Will kind of forever. And let's just go on in and style her up. All right, guys. We are back with our Ishow hair body wave lace front wig, okay? We have this unit in 26 inches in natural black and at 150% density, okay? Currently, this unit is going for just under $230. And for the length of this unit and the way that this hair feels, I really think that that's a steal. Now, we always have some kind of coupon for the kids, so make sure you check the deets of this video to get some coins off. Now, this unit has stood the test of time. When I tell y'all in real life, I had her in a ball, and I was like, you know what? Let me wash mother up and do a second review, okay? And she really did come right on back to life, and I really do appreciate that. I experienced minimal shedding. She literally did not tangle almost at all. And I really did enjoy that. Like, I enjoy the way this unit feels. I enjoy how light she is for her to be 26 inches. And I think that the way that this cap has been constructed and how big head friendly this unit is, she is affordable and she's a must have. Like, I mean, come on. Just under $230 for 26 inches of love, sex, and magic? You can't beat that with a bag. this unit held up so nicely. Okay, I just went through, gave her a little bit of curl, just something light. Okay, she doesn't tangle much. Look how beautiful she took our curl. Just a little light. You know I love to do just a little light bump, something cute. Okay, come on through. Show on in. Listen, I really do love Ishow hair. I love how long that this hair kept up. Again, this is like a 2-month update. Like, I kind of let mother sit. And when I mean sit, I mean, and for all intents and purposes, she was in a ball in the bottom of my hair container. Okay? And that's just being honest. Like, she just really was. And I kind of just came out wet. You know what I mean? Gave her one of those, washed her up, and got mother together. And she really did provide exactly what I needed to her. And when I mean, I put the conditioner, once I conditioned this baby, I washed her out, brushed her with warm water, and went through her with my wig brush. And once I did that and then threw a little bit of conditioner on her, mother was ready. Okay, sorry, my little curl fell, y'all. I'm hot. I'm in my room. I'm a little warm. But this unit, again, is fire. She has stood the test of time. I'm going to turn around for you guys so you can get all, okay? Listen. I don't have nothing else to say to you, okay? I done came through. I done washed her, fried her, dyed her, laid her to the side. I done gave y'all everything I'm going to give, okay? I'm going to see y'all beautiful mugs later.